The Argentina versus Brazil football rivalry is one of the most iconic and intense in the world. Here are 10 long, detailed facts that showcase the depth and drama of this South American football feud. 1. Origins rooted in early 20th century, the rivalry between Argentina and Brazil began as early as 1914, when the two national teams played their first official match. With Argentina winning 3-0, the competitive tension was born not just from football, but also from political, cultural, and economic rivalries between the two largest South American nations. 2. World Cup clashes filled with controversy, though they've only met 4 times in the FIFA World Cup. Each encounter has been packed with drama. In the 1982 World Cup, Argentina's defending champions lost to Brazil in the second round. The most controversial match came in 1990, when Argentina defeated Brazil 1-0, aided by a now infamous incident where Argentine staff allegedly spiked Brazilian player Branco's water bottle with tranquilizers. 3. Copa America showdowns are legendary. Argentina and Brazil have met more than 30 times in the Copa America, often in high-stakes matches. The 2004 and 2007 finals saw Brazil defeating Argentina in painful fashion, especially in 2007, when a Messi-led Argentina was humiliated 3-0. However, Argentina got revenge in 2021, beating Brazil 1-0 in the final at the Maracanã, breaking a 28-year trophy drought. 4. The 2021 Copa America final was historic. Argentina's 2021 Copa America victory over Brazil was momentous for several reasons. It marked Lionel Messi's first major international title, ended a long drought, and was won on Brazilian soil at the sacred Maracanã. The emotional weight of that win elevated it as one of the most symbolic in the rivalry's history. 5. Total match count favors Brazil slightly. As of 2025, Argentina and Brazil have faced each other in over 110 official matches, with Brazil holding a slight edge in wins. The head-to-head is nearly balanced, with the difference of only a few wins, reflecting how evenly matched the rivalry has been over the decades. 6. A tale of footballing styles. The rivalry also represents contrasting footballing philosophies. Argentina is often associated with grit, cunning la viveza criolla, and emotional intensity, while Brazil is known for jogo bonito, a free-flowing, artistic style. This contrast adds a layer of cultural pride and aesthetic judgment to their clashes. 7. Club-level rivalries intensify national tension. Though the national rivalry gets the spotlight, club competitions, such as the Copa Libertadores, have intensified hostilities. Matches like Boca Juniors versus Palmeiras or River Plate versus Flamengo feed into national pride, with fans viewing club success as a proxy for national superiority. 8. Iconic players and clashes across generations. From Pelé and Garrincha versus Di Stefano and Savori, to Romario and Ronaldo versus Batistuta and Ortega, and later Ronaldinho and Kaká versus Riquelme and Tevez, and now Neymar versus Messi, nearly every generation has witnessed world-class battles. These matchups have cemented the rivalry's legendary status. 9. Superclásico de las Americas revived the fire. To keep the rivalry alive in non-tournament years, the Superclásico de las Americas was created in 2011 as a recurring friendly competition. While officially friendly, matches have often turned intense, physical, and emotionally charged, reaffirming that there's no such thing as a meaningless Brazil versus Argentina game. 10. National identity and global spotlight. For both nations, football is not just a sport, but a core part of national identity. A win over Brazil or Argentina is treated like a historic moment. Globally, this rivalry is among the most watched and hyped, drawing viewers far beyond South America. It transcends sport and borders, symbolizing to footballing superpowers' eternal battle for supremacy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. Turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Got questions or ideas? Drop them below. I love hearing from you. Until next time, Take care and stay awesome.